Good morning, our respected jury. Best wish to all of us. My name is Asma Kamila and my college.
Indhira Putri.
Najwa, Laili, Fajri.
We are from First State High School of Yogyakarta. So we will present the result of our research rating entitled Traditional Javanese Culture, Tanem Resan in Gunungkidul for Water Sustainability. So, Indonesia has several places that often experience drought, including Gunungkidul. Gunungkidul is an area with limestone soil, so it's not easy to absorb water. Every year, 9,400 people are affected by drought in Gunungkidul. As an effort to solve the water problem in Gunungkidul, the government, which is Ganjar Pranowo, built a drill well in Natah village, Gunungkidul. Drill wells use a groundwater as a source of water. Excessive exploitation of deep groundwater causes a sieve in the rocks as a support for the soil surface, which result in easy subsidence of the soil. So we need water conservation methods that do not damage the nature. One of the efforts made by community is to plant Resan trees. Planting Resan trees is expected to revive dead springs and protect the springs around them. The Resan tree planting was initiated by Bakadimo, which was later developed as a community. Resans come from word reksa and is often associated with brown reksa, which means gourd. A Resan tree is a large tree whose function is to increase water absorption in the soil to maintain the continuity of the flow of the water springs. Next.
Okay, and the next one is, what's the purpose of this study? This study aims to find out the mechanism of saplings that can protect water springs in Gunungkidul Regency. And the second one is, find out the role of the community in maintaining clean water sources by utilizing traditional local wisdom values through the figure Mbah Ngadimo. Next. Okay, and there are 4 methods used in this research. For the first one is observation. The observation is divided into 2 parts, namely social media observation and direct observation. Social media observation is conducted by searching the recent community Gunungkidul in social media to contact them for further interviews. And the other one is direct observation. Direct observation is carried out by the researcher visiting the Natah village in Gunungkidul. And secondly, intense interviews. This intense interview is conducted with community leaders in the Resan community, namely Mbah Ngadimo. And the third one is documentation. This documentation includes the current condition of springs and recent tree areas in Gunungkidul. This documentation will later be strengthened by various existing literature studies. And last but not least is literature studies. The literature study is used by searching and examining more deeply the mechanism of Resan species in protecting water resources. Next, please.
Okay, for the result and discussion from this research, the first result is the Resan tree can be used as a solution to the water crisis in Gunungkidul because it has strong roots and it's capable of generating new water spring. And then the second one is mechanism of water absorption by Resan trees is through 3 stages, namely the flow of surface water, infiltration and storage of groundwater, and then the formation of water springs on the surface. The third result is environmental awareness program or Darling, Sadar Lingkungan, can be used as an introduction to the environment to the community, especially young children. And then the last is increasing community participation can be done through outreach or workshop activities in other areas and educational content through social media. Okay, that's our presentation. If there is an error, we apologize. I hope you can get helpful knowledge from this presentation. Thank you.